Welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to today's live trading with Tony FX. So today we'll be going over some of our trading pairs, and we have a news event coming up shortly. So I'm the founder of Tenet Digital Link, where everyone who has a knowledge gap in digital trading can be able to learn about digital trading and use it to make money online. So if you're open-minded to learn more about that, you can stay to the end because I have a very big news for everyone on today's live trading session. So diving into today's live trading, we have a news event coming up in less than 9 minutes. We have a news event, and that news event is for the inflation rate year over year for the euro currency. So let's read a little bit about that, what inflation rate of year over year is and how it can impact the eurozone currency. So that's what we're reading now. So it's loading. Let's give it some time to load. Loading, it's loading. Interest rate year over year. Let's give it some time. Let's give some time to load up. If you have any questions, please share it on the comment section. Share your question on the comment section. In less than 7 minutes time, we have Okay, thank you. Thank you, Jay, for the correction. Thank you, Jay, for the correction. Can you hear me now, Jay? Wow, wow. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you for the correction, Jay. I really appreciate. I really appreciate. I hope you can hear me now, Jay. Loud and clear, I guess. Just give me a yes or a thumbs up, something like that. Okay, so from what I can see currently, Japanese yen is one of the strong currencies for the day. And I can see a ceiling here that can resist the market from moving. Okay, thank you. I can see a ceiling that can resist the market from going more up. Like, let me recap on what I did here. In about a minute's time, we have inflation rate year over year for Europe, and it means a higher than expected figure should be seen as positive for Euro. A lower than expected figure should be seen as negative for Euro. And currently, 4.6% is lower than 6.1%. If we get any percentage higher than 4.6%, it's going to what? Give Euro the strength to move up. But if we get any percentage lower than 4.6%, it's going to what? Make Euro to go down. Like I told you guys, this is a resistance, which is a selling, and this is a support level, which is like a floor. When you throw a ball on the support level, it bounces there and moves up. When you throw a ball at the ceiling, it bounces there and moves down. So we have few seconds to this news. Inflation rate year over year. So we'll be checking out JPY, NZD, and AUD for setups, and I've seen one setup on Euro JPY. So I think we can get a sell setup for Euro JPY. A sell setup for Euro JPY. Let's see what the news result is. 17 seconds. It is lower. It is lower. So sell Euro JPY. You can sell Euro JPY. You can sell Euro JPY because why? JPY is one of the strong currencies for the day, followed by NZD, followed by AUD. So I had the intention to only analyze strong currencies. And remember, take partial profits on the other trades we are currently holding. Take partial profits on the other trades we are currently holding, which is Euro USD. Take partial profits now. Take partial profits now. Come on, guys. Sell Euro JPY. Euro JPY, we're selling it 20 pips stop loss, 40 pips take profit. We're selling Euro JPY now. Sell Euro JPY now. 20 pips stop loss. Sell Euro JPY now. I hope you can apply proper risk management. Let's see. Euro NZD. Euro GBP has already hit our major target. TP hit. It hit our TP and it's currently on a floor. So there's high chances that it will bounce from here. This is a floor, which is support. So there's high chances that Euro GBP would bounce from this support and start moving up, okay? From here, but we already made our take profits. It hit our target. We closed everything. This is about 1:4. We were risking 15 pips and made 60 pips. So that's it. And now I'm just checking out strong pairs. Okay, Euro AUD is close to a floor, so don't sell Euro AUD. Euro NZD is far away from the selling, but a very conducive trade setup is Euro JPY. Sell Euro JPY. I know we are close to a floor, a higher time frame floor, but is this is more of a scalp trade. It's more of a scalp trade. We're not holding it for a long time. We're not holding it for a long time, okay? Sell Euro JPY, exactly. Exactly what I was looking for. Scalp trading, sell Euro JPY, swing trading, pending order, buy limit order for Euro JPY, buy limit for a swing trade, okay? But currently we're just scalping the corrective structure into this floor, this support level. We're scalping it down to this support level, okay? we're putting our stop loss above the ceiling, which is resistance. We're putting it above the ceiling. So in case the ball doesn't bounce down from here, if the boss insists on going more up, it will hit this ceiling here, and this ceiling will resist it, and it will start coming down. And we have what? A floor here that is going to make the ball bounce up. And when the ball comes to this support, which is the floor, we can then hold more trades for a buy, but it's going to be a swing trade. When I mean swing trade, it can be a trade that you can hold for a day or two. But this is currently a scalp trade. We're going to close the trade before today ends. No matter what, you need to close that trade before today ends. So that's what I see currently on Euro JPY, and that's my trade call right now for you guys live. Apply proper risk management, guys. Apply proper risk management. Very important. Apply proper risk management, guys. Apply proper risk management. Know the amount of money you're losing on each trade. Apply proper risk management. Okay. It's a corrective trade. Corrective. Okay. Okay. So this Euro USD. It seems down, so it has not gotten to my selling yet. Okay, so guys, this is not just the only call. In about 25 minutes time, we have initial jobless claims, which has to do with the amount of people who came. Okay, let us read it together. Let me not just narrate it to you. Let's read it together. Okay. A higher than expected figure should be seen as negative, bearish for the USD, while a lower than expected figure should be seen as negative for the USD. Okay, so currently initial jobless claims is 21.15K, is higher than 20.1K, which is bad for USD, very bad. Then 215K is lower than 217K, which is good for USD. And lastly, 1,675K is higher than 1,662K, which is bad for USD. So we have two bad news and one good news for USD. And in 24 minutes time, we have what? A trade opportunity for dollar pairs. So currently on Euro JPY, we're scalping to the downside, 20 pips stop loss, 40 pips take profits. Apply proper risk management, guys. Apply proper risk management and take caution. On Euro USD, you should take partial profits. I said it. You should take partial profits, half. We already did 1:3. I like to trade 1:3 setups, but whenever I trade 1:4 setups, just like today, I said take partial profit. It has done 45 pips. I took partial profit. I took my stop loss from here. And I placed it here above my entry. So no matter what, if the price chooses to come back down, I'm not going to be losing any money. I already made some money. Okay. But if the price insists on going up to hit my final target, well, we will make more money. Okay. So that's what I want you to understand and believe. I could still adjust it because I can see a flaw somewhere here. I could still adjust my stop loss in profit, not opposite. Then I'm not meant to be showing everyone this, but because you're on this call, we have a gold trade setup, and I think this is going to be the move for New York session, gold for the buy. I think that's the move because every other risky asset moved during London session. Euro moved, Great Britain pound moved, Swiss franc moved, Australian dollar moved, NZD, New Zealand dollar moved, Japanese yen moved, and Canadian dollar, but gold has not moved. Gold was stuck in a ceiling. There was a ceiling here. Early this morning, there was a massive ceiling here. Okay, so gold is an early bird. You can get in. There was a massive selling here, but gold cleared it. Gold cleared it with this break over here. It cleared it with that break, and then from here now, I called out the signal for you guys. We are currently in a range, okay, and the strategy of trading a range is buy low, sell high, okay. The formula of trading is buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. But currently, due to the news we have by 1:30, initial jobless claim, I see this as a negative news for the dollar. And when that happens, we should be expecting gold to be rallying and going to the upside. Okay. So that's the benefit for you staying live with us. I sent it to the VIP students only, but because you're live with us, you gain access to this insightful information too. So that's it. Okay, so let's check some dollar pairs. Let's check some dollar pairs. Let's check some dollar pairs. Let's see if we get some opportunity. Let's check the floor and the ceiling of USD CHF. Okay. Okay. So for USD CHF, I see this. This is the ceiling, which is where price went to and bounced off over here. Is the ceiling. You know, every house, every room has a ceiling. Where you are currently, if you're not outside watching your phone, look up, that's the ceiling. So this is where if you throw a ball, if you have a little ball in your hand, throw it up, it's going to hit there and start coming down. So price has hit up. Price is the ball. It hit up and starts coming down. And these candles represent the way price reacted on that ceiling. That's understood, right? If you have any questions, drop it on the comment section and I'll attend to you shortly. Okay, over here we have our floor where price would come to and bounce off. This is our floor. I have to put that to be green. Okay. Yeah, that's the floor. So this is where I expect price to come down to and bounce off to keep going up. Just like you can see it there. So let's see if we can see any tradable opportunities. Okay. I can see that, but how possible is it for market to come back to that zone? Okay, so let me see. There was a change of character. There was a break of structure here, then a change of this character, and then market went up again. This is the final change of character, and this was the last green candle. So this is where we expect market to come back into if you are looking for a sell from the ceiling. You want to sell from the ceiling and buy from the floor. You want to sell from the ceiling and buy from the floor. Okay, so when the market comes back into this point, we can get our sales for the USD against the Swiss franc. We can place stop loss to be 20 pips above this high, and then we go down to 60 pips. Okay, I think 50 pips is good. Then we make this to be 15 pips. Okay, let's see. Okay, so make this be 15. So this is a trade setup I see. for USD CHF. This is USD CHF trade setup. So if the news we get by 1:30 is negative for dollar, which means that there is more people that don't have jobs, there's high chances that we'll see more drop from USD CHF. But I will not be selling the USD CHF from here. I need to come into this point or close to this candle over here before I can see some sell setups. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting from USD CHF for the drops. Then for GBP USD, it left our floor. Let's confirm this floor. This is the support level and a floor. Yes, you can see that it is a support level and a floor, and market has left that point and is moving up massively. So at currently we need to find a place where we can get our buy setups for euro. Okay, so for euro USD, I think it doesn't really have, well, let's see, it doesn't have quite the type of entry I want to see on it. So we'll leave that for now. Then let's check out Australian dollar. Okay, so Australian dollar, I already did the markup for today, but it didn't come back to my entry point, and it is close to my selling. So we'll leave that as well. Okay, so this is the New Zealand dollar. Okay, so this is the newly formed floor over here, which is our support level, and from here we can expect market to keep moving to the upside. Okay, so from here now we see a lot of structures, and let's see if we can find any ceiling. Yeah, we can find the ceiling. We have a ceiling up here, and we have a support down here. So it's quite far from our entry, so we'll leave that. Then this USD card, yesterday's trade, it took us out. It took us out from here. This spike took us out, but today it's now selling profitably. That's USD card, but I didn't call out the trade. I didn't call out the trade because I took my eye off it. We had 25 pips stop loss, so the market was in profit. But in the evening, I don't know the news that came out. It spiked up, went against the structure. I think it's a stop hunt. So it did that and then continue moving down. Since then, it has just been moving down. So, but where my eye is gold. Gold has high chances of breaking this. This is an artificial selling I put here. It's an artificial selling. So if the news turns out to be negative for the dollar, I can see gold shooting up like massively. So in about 15 minutes or so, the news will be out for the dollar. That's in 30 minutes. And after that news is out for the dollar, we will call this a wrap. Please, if you have any questions, share on the chat. If you have any questions, share on the chat. If you have any questions, share on the chat. Okay. If you have any questions, share on the chat, guys. Okay, Euro JPY is still going in profits. Euro JPY is in good profits. Euro JPY is just a corrective structure. Okay, well, it's not the next impulse. It's just, don't worry. What I just said is just selling. It's just selling. It just got to the point where it needed to sell. That's Euro JPY currently selling. But I should expecting this market to be moving up probably from tomorrow. Euro JPY to moving up probably from tomorrow from this point. Yeah, that's what I see from Euro JPY moving up from this point probably from tomorrow. Okay, we can give it 15 pips. Then we can move up. Well, this is 1:3. My soft spot. So we'll see how that trade plays out. Okay, so that's our trade call. So like yesterday, I promised you guys about my crypto bull run watch list, and I missed out on that. If you're currently watching this, congratulations, you're getting this free bonus. So for the crypto bull run, I have few coins I'm monitoring. One is the artificial intelligence coins. I have artificial intelligence coins here. I have metaverse coins. I have layer one coin, which has to do with Ethereum network, and I have layer two coins. And we'll be going through the structure of the market, which is the support level and the resistance level where we expect market to stop and start moving up, because first quarter of 2024, we expect the bull run to kick in. We expect the bull run to kick in on most of those coins. Okay. Okay. So let's do this. Let's do this, guys. So here's the first coin. The name of this coin is, I think, Singularity NET token. Singularity. Okay, so Singularity is currently inside a very massive law, also known as support. is inside a very massive support. Let's go down to a lower time frame, like the 1 hour. Okay, so let's see if we can see a better support. So over here, Singularity has a support at this point, which is acting like a floor. When the market gets there, it bounces off and starts going more up. Okay, so that's it. The floor where your leg is currently stepping on. If you're on the floor, it's a support. If you're sitting down on a chair, it's a support. The chair is supporting you to sit down. So it is currently supporting this price from going more down. It's supporting it to go up. So from here, we're expecting Singularity to kick up. Okay, so currently, if you check the total price move of Singularity, let's check it on the daily time frame. Let's check it on a daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, if you check this and bring out these levels, let's bring out these levels. You figure out that we have this low here and this high over here for Singularity, and currently the market has lost about 79% of the all-time high price. 79%. So it's at a discount price. So it's currently at a discount price, and it is quite cheap. It's more like Black Friday, getting things on Black Friday. So currently it has lost a lot of value. It has lost a lot of value from the all-time high. Let's check the all-time high. From the all-time high, Singularity has lost a lot of value. I promised you guys this, so that's why I'm giving it to you guys yesterday, but we were carried away with the trade from yesterday and then shared this. Okay, so this is Singularity. It had an increment of 1,606%. But currently, that's 1,606%. You have an opportunity to get it at a cheaper price. It's just increased by 350%. Okay, so this is more of a discount, and it has lost about 79% of that high. So you have chances of 0 to about none. This is an asystematic risk and investment opportunity. If you don't know what that means, you can use the dictionary. So based on what I can see, there's liquidity. There's liquidity lying here. The Singularity to go more down. There's liquidity lying here. There's liquidity lying here. There's liquidity lying here. So if it should take out more lows, it should take out these lows here, and then from here we should be expecting more push to the upside when it has taken out those liquidity. Okay, but this is currently a very massive support level. This should be green. It's a massive support level. Okay, so this is the next on the list. This is the next on the list. The name of this is Fetch AI. Fetch AI. You can read more about it on CoinMarketCap. Fetch AI. So on Fetch AI, we have this is the low to the high. This is the low to the high. So it has lost almost the same percentage, about 79% of the total price. No, this is not the total price. We have a much higher price. Okay, we have a much higher price. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, we're close to the 90% mark. 90% mark. And there is liquidity lying here. So there is high chances of markets to coming down here to take that liquidity out. Let's see if we can find any support. Remember, first quarter of 2024, high chances of what? More bullish movement on the crypto markets to get ready for the halving cycle. Okay, so I can see a lot of ceilings up here that I could resist the market from going more up. Okay, but I've not seen like a level where we can see a level to buy from. Okay, so over here I can see this level, and this is the 90%. When the market gets to this point, it means 90, it has lost 90% of the total price cap. But over here I can see a support level for the market. I can see a support level on this time frame. So let's see. Okay, much better. So currently we have another support level close to us over here, but I think this market is going to drop down to this 90% level. Based on the structure I see, I think this market is going to drop down to this 90% level first before we can be able to get some of those buy opportunities. If it doesn't, then we'll just take out liquidity here, because I can see liquidity lying here. So when we take out those liquidity, which is money, people that have trades there already, and they need you to come down here. Price needs to come down here so that the trades will be activated. That's what I mean when I say liquidity. Then from here, we can now see more push up from the support level, which is the floor. Okay, you get it. So that's what I see from Fetch token. Fetch token is one of my cryptos I'm watching out for the next bull run, starting first quarter 2024. It's going to be very late when you're in second quarter 2024 to purchase these coins. So by first quarter, January 1st, that's when we now start looking for our entry levels on smaller time frames like 1 minute, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes for the major. And it's going to be investment, not mainly trading. Okay, it's going to be investment, not mainly trading. Okay, so I think I'll round up here for today. We'll have another live trading session tomorrow, and I'll continue from other crypto coins tomorrow and continuously going into next week and upper week, because we have less than 2 minutes to round up. And so far, I think you guys are seeing this interesting and no questions so far. So I just talked about 2 coins today, Fetch AI and Singularity AI, and I already marked out some levels on Fetch AI where I expect price to come back into as a support before moving more up. But probably before the weekend kicks in, we're going to see a setup for Fetch AI for sell opportunities going down into this liquidity, and I'll keep you guys updated. So before we round up, like I told you guys, we'll be watching out on gold. We'll be watching out on gold because this news will come out very soon, in 4 minutes time or so, for gold. And when that news turns out to be negative for the dollar, we should be expecting gold to be pushing up massively. Thank you so much for watching to this point. I really hope that you got some value. We just need a breakout from this mini resistance you see over here. If there is a good breakout candle, which this news could have the impact we need, then I'll keep you guys updated in the group chat. Okay, but I hope you guys got value. Please smash the like button, comment below, and share this with your friends and family. Thank you so much.